This first printer is the Davinci Mini. It's a wireless 3D printer that is designed for your home. This printer comes with auto leveling software, making it easy to set up, calibrate and maintain. It prints with PLA plastic, which is derived from cornstarch, which is entirely safe for the environment. This printer is very user-friendly. With just a push of a button, it will print your favorite objects. The Davinci Mini is just $200, making it one of the best 3D printers to have in your home. This is the Calmgrow Creality Ender 3. This printer has about 2 hours assembly required before you start printing. Once the printer is set up, it's relatively user-friendly. The hotbed only takes 5 minutes to get to printing temperature, allowing you to start printing your favorite objects right away. This printer has a really cool feature that allows it to carry on printing even if there's a power cut. This will save you wasting any materials and means you don't have to start the print again. The price of this printer is around $240. Flashforge Finder. This 3D printer comes with a color touch screen display and a slide-in build plate, making it easy to take your prints out. It also has a handy overhead light and visibility points to keep an eye on your print. Although it has a small build volume and can only idly print with PLA, it is another fantastic printer for beginners due to it being so simple to use. This printer costs around $350, another advantage if you're just starting out. Here we have the Lowell Mini 2. This is another printer that is perfect for anyone who is just starting to use 3D printers. The display is a straightforward menu system that controls filament loading, temperature and printing from an SD card. This printer is capable of printing with a number of materials, making it easy to use without having to upgrade any parts. The printer can print up to 300 mm per second with a filament diameter of 2.85 mm. This printer will cost you a little over $1,500. The MakerBot Replicator Plus is for users that have slightly more experience in 3D printing and comes with a lot of features and functions they can use. This printer can handle larger prints than other printers of the same class. It can print 30% faster and has 25% larger print volume than any of its predecessors. This printer comes with an onboard printer, so you can check on the print from the MakerBot mobile app. The user-friendly LCD display allows you to set up and maintain the printer, preview print files and access your object library. You can connect to the printer via Wi-Fi, USB or Ethernet, allowing the printer to connect to all devices. This printer costs around $2,900. Up next, we have Ultimaker III. This printer is more for the advanced users who want to balance certain features and functions. This printer is slightly more expensive and costs around $3,500. The dual filament spool holders and filament feeders allows the machine to print with 2 different filament materials or colors, which is a massive advantage. The printer can handle multiple printing materials, allowing for a wide range of prints. The glass bed in the machine is auto-heated before the print starts. The Ultimaker has 4 resolution settings: fast, normal, high and draft, and is fairly quiet whilst printing. This is a massive advantage for the more complex prints which need more printing time. Lastly, we have the Formlabs Form 3. This is a high-end 3D printer. This printer is an award-winning resin-based printer that comes with its own built-in resin tank and an automatic resin fill system. This printer features a light processing unit which bounces its Class 1 laser through a series of Glavo-driven mirrors to produce its high-quality prints. The printer also has a number of sensors so you can keep track of the print. All of this makes the machine seem very complicated, but it's actually quite easy to use. The Formlabs Form 3 isn't the quickest printer on the market, but the quality of the print in the time frame you get is outstanding. This printer is one of the best resin-based printers you can get and will cost you around $3,500. Thanks for watching. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. Feel free to check out other videos on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest gadgets and inventions. See you in the next video.